Council.
The only thing I want to say is that we are grateful to the court and nothing else. And Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Okay, so that is ADG Samako. He will have short words. Okay, let's hear from Baba.
The law has spoken. Earlier, I told you that we're optimistic and hopeful that it's going to, the true mandate of the people will still stand. We're grateful to the courts for heeding our request. The law has spoken. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and then to everybody in the Kaikwe Central. Now you know, I'm still MP elect for Kaikwe Central.
Okay.
Yes.
So any comments from you?
Where our confidence in the law has, borne its fruits, and we're happy to go and continue. I think it's important that everybody understands that this is just the beginning of our work, and I think that this experience equips us to be able to represent all our people a lot better. So we're very grateful and for the opportunity, and also we want to say hello to Ghanaians and our constituents. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
So that is the reaction from some. So let's hear from a Rabna audience as well on relation to this orders that have been made by the High.
Well, I think it's a good day for country. The whole world is watching, not just Ghana. So I think it's just the beginning of coming together as one people. And then I think it redeems the image to an extent of our courts and our judges. So it's all well and good. All well and good.
Okay, so that is Rabna Obin also giving us a reaction in relation to what has just happened at the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court has spoken, and the decision is that 4 out of the 6 constituencies, disputed constituencies, have been in relation to.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, so that's basically what is happening here, and the decision has been made, and then the parties have spoken, the Supreme Court has spoken, and the decision is that 4 out of Council, you have monitored whatever has transpired in the Supreme Court and all that. Does this surprise you, or what do you make of the decision of the Supreme Court?
No, it doesn't really surprise me, because I think the Supreme Court's decision is even hinged on the Alden ultra partem rule that let the person be heard. So the mere fact that there was notice that they had an interest in it and they were not heard, the court says that it's been elevated to constitutional right. So even administrative bodies, when they are bound by that, how much more the court? So it is only on that decision, and they are saying that the ones that were not declared that there was collation, that should stand. That is in Sawam and Ahafano. The ones that had been declared, they should be given the opportunity and be heard. That is the 4 that they mentioned. And if you look at it, the court process that were filed, it was on the 6th constituency. But once they were doing the recollation, they did 7. So I'm sure the legal team will sit down and look at the other. I haven't heard anything about Obuasi East. So I'm sure the party and the candidates will sit down and see how we go forward.